The part 2 video, I'm testing the same Pincone sound set with a brand new ESC motor system, brushless through RC, and I will show you exactly this time also the connection according to what the suggestion is. I have the green wire connected to channel 3, which is the signal wire, and then the sound set system wire connected to channel 2, and then servo connected to channel 1. And I'm using a 3S battery this time, 3 cell. And now look, so the motor is running, and also a different transmitter receiver system too as well. The motor is running, no sound. You don't hear any sound. Servo is working, again no sound. You hear the fan of my ESC running now. My motor running. Supposed to have sound from the speaker. No sound. The green light from the Pincone set is on. That indicate current go through it, but no sound. So that concludes that sound set is defective. And that is the box coming out from it. Everything is new for testing purpose, just to show you this system has no sound. I connected everything according to the paper instruction and no sound.